Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a secure base. Grab a 14-wire wreath frame and a roll of 10 Deco mesh. First, make 6 bundles by folding the mesh to form 8. Once the base is attached, work section by section. Secure mesh with pipe cleaners, then create 3 to 4 loops per attachment for fullness. Make sure to stagger directions so the wreath reads as a continuous circle. This prevents flat spots. Insert wired ribbon accents tucked under pipe cleaners every 2 sections to break up color. Keep checking from 3 feet away to balance shape. Tighten any loose pipe cleaners as you go so the structure stays firm. To finish, trim stray mesh tails and sculpt the outer edge for a uniform look. Use sharp scissors and small snips. Then, twist and tuck the final pipe cleaners behind loops and hide raw ends with a ribbon bow. If you see thin spots or gaps, add a small 6 mesh strip or a few floral picks and fluff to blend. This is often faster than redoing a whole section. Finally, hang on a door hook and rotate to inspect balance and symmetry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.